How to share Capcut videos to WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily share videos from your Capcut app to your WhatsApp. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Capcut, and once you open it up, you can export the video, and once you click on the export button, now wait for it to export completely, and then finally you'll get to this page. So here you have quick actions like your video quality, edit cover, share projects, and right above that you have the share option. You can share it to Instagram, your stories, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook. So if you tap on other, you should get the other option as well, and you can also copy the link for this. So you can go ahead and tap on this other option, and here you'll get an option to share it to WhatsApp. So tap on WhatsApp, and then select the person or the contact that you want to share this to. Tap on send, and now your video will be sent. So tap on share, and you can easily share the video from your Capcut. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.